Let's do some cleanup now, and let's implement the guard for the remaining endpoints as well. Let's move everything that has to do with authorization into a separate file, because our main RS file starts becoming too long to read. So I'm gonna cut everything that has to do with authorization. I will make a new module, a new file, call it auth.rs, and paste it in here. Then I will define this module in our main RS file, and then afterwards I will also move all these unused use statements from the main RS file to auth.rs. They're not needed in the main RS, of course. Okay, our new module looks that is ready. We just need to import the basic auth struct in here, so the compiler will find the basic auth struct in its new location. Basic auth, there you go. And now we will also pass this auth argument to all the endpoints. We want to protect all of our endpoints, not just the list or view endpoint, but yeah, we want only people that have some kind of authorization to be able to create Rustaceans, update or delete Rustaceans. Great. So now, in theory, all of our endpoints should be protected with our new guard. Let's see, let's go ahead and try them. Make sure. Recompiling the application, all good. Let's open a terminal now and start by the view Rustaceans endpoint to make sure. Oops, I messed up the IP in here. Okay. We get unauthorized for get or the list Rustaceans endpoint. Let's also try the view specific Rustacean endpoint. Again, we have 401. Then let's also try the post endpoints along with the content type header. I will close the sidebar to make it easier. Okay, so content type application JSON, not found because we used the wrong route, of course. This route with an ID is the put route. Okay, so for the post route we have also 401. This is protected. Let's also try the update Rustacean endpoint. Again 401, and finally delete Rustaceans. Great. All of our endpoints now are protected, but also let's make sure that they work with when we specify the header. So where is the header? There we go. Okay, that was easy for the get Rustaceans endpoint. Now for the view Rustacean, also it works. Let's try now creating a Rustacean. X is post, and then we have two headers now. We have one header for the content type and one header for the authorization. There we go. We should have everything. Okay, it says not found because again we specified the ID here when it's not needed for the create Rust-Asien endpoint. Great. Then we need to also test the update Rust-Asien endpoint, and here we will just change the HTTP method. We have the ID here already. Great, that works. And then that leaves us with the delete endpoint. Great, I suppose this also works. Let's also try with -I. Yep, we received the no content status code. So all good. We now have successfully all of our endpoints protected by our basic auth guard, and we can move on with the database now.